Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you if you forgot your iPhone passcode, so how we can unlock an Apple ID passcode unlock and fix iPhone device. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, enter your passcode and try to unlock. So you can see here our iPhone is not accepted our passcode. So tap on emergency section and tap pin number first. Star 80118975 star 85298 star 7046 and tap star and tap on dialer. So tap on cancel and swipe up again and tap again on emergency section. So tap pin number 2 star 785245 star 8933985 tap star and 7876 star 7012 star 7576 and tap on hash. So friends, when you tap the pin number 2, then tap on dialer and hold 5 to 10 seconds to unlock this iPhone device. So tap on dialer. So you can see here our iPhone is unlocked without any passcode, without any computer or any third-party application software. So after watching this video, I hope you know how to unlock iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 also with these pin codes. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.